So, this is the solution to the 2021 Fall AMC10A Problem 13. So, it says each of 6 balls is randomly and independently painted either black or white with equal probability. What is the probability that every ball is different in color from more than half of the other 5 balls? So you basically just do casework on this. So you know the total number of ways is just 2 to the 6, which is 64, because there's 2 options and it's 6 balls. So our cases are white, black, 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 and black, white, and there's gonna be 1 less black, so there's gonna be 4 black, and there is white, 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 black, 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 and basically it's for this step, it's gonna be like the white step but reversed. So it's basically just symmetric to these 2 cases, and because the question says that every ball is different in color for more than half of the other 5 balls, the case where white and there's like 5 blacks, 2 whites and there's 4 blacks, and vice versa, where there's 4 blacks and 2 whites, which is basically symmetric, we cannot count this at all because it does not satisfy our condition. So our answer is finding the arrangements for white, 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 and black, black, black. You could just treat this as finding the arrangement in a word. So the total number of arrangements is going to be 6 choose 3, which is 6 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial, which gives 20. So our answer is 20 over 64, which is 5 over 16. So our answer is D.